And now we're going to make another, it could be a door swag, and this time I'm going to use my gold Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough to fold in half and lay into the Bowdabra. So I'll just fold this in half and lay this down. So Denise has both, Robin has two. Thanks you guys for letting me know, and thank you for being such great Bowdabra customers. So now what I'm going to do is lay this down in here. We'll go to the overhead camera so you can see what I'm doing. And lay that down there. Then I have another flower here. And I'm going to lay this down this way. So the two shorter pieces are in the middle, and the longer pieces are on the outside. And then I have some tails that we pre-cut, and this is probably one of my favorite ribbons, is the leaves for fall. So we're just going to lay this down in here, and here, and lay this down in here, and I've already dovetailed the ends to give them kind of a finished look. And we're going to take another tail, lay those down there, and another tail here. And just so you guys know, next week Nick will be live. So, and now I'm going to just twist it, and again we're doing the fold and twist technique. So we're just going to fold this over, because I want to have my sparkly side on where I can see it, and we're just going to fold and twist, and fold and twist. And as you'll notice, I'm not really measuring how big my loops are, because they don't have to be perfect. The idea of a perfect bow is if you made one by hand, it's never going to be perfect. I mean, there are some florists that can do it, but honestly, I never could, and I never worried about it. So we're just going to twist, come back over, do one more loop, and then I'm going to take my beautiful leaf ribbon, we're going to twist it. So all this is just fold and twist, and fold and twist. So just fold it, twist it, and scrunch it in. Now some people will do it a little bit differently than I do it, and what they'll do is push it in and then twist it. But for me, it's just easier to twist it before I push it in. So twist and scrunch it down, and twist. And so if you're watching the replay, don't forget to let me know. And also, don't forget to let us know where you're watching from. And oh my gosh, thank you everybody for sharing. That's so sweet. And it really helps us out, because then people learn about Bowdabra. And then now I'm just going to make a little half a loop. That's going to be like my button loop. And we'll just scrunch everything down in here. So let me know if you've already started putting your trees up, or are you waiting until Thanksgiving or a little after. So pull that tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Just separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and we're just going to tie a knot and tie another knot. Thank you everybody that's commenting on the ribbon. I love this ribbon. I think it's so pretty. And I'm just gonna shape out our bow. And I just shape it, fluff it by just kind of pulling. And then here for my button loop, I'm just gonna make that little loop in the center. As you can see, that was super simple to make. Now please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.